In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Whitestone's Dome Escudo case for the Google Pixel Fold. Alright, so let's dive right into this. This is a case from Whitestone, as mentioned before, for your Google Pixel Fold, the Escudo case. But this is not any ordinary case. This has a built-in screen protector for the cover display for your Fold, which is absolutely fantastic. It is a glass built-in screen protector, may I add. A couple of features here they want me to mention is a perfect fit, comfortable grip, best protection, and all-in-one protection, basically, because you got that glass screen protector on front, nothing on the back. Without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this and see the quality of this case. And here you have the tempered glass screen protector. See that? This is freaking awesome right here. Freaking awesome. And the case itself, you have a nice like snap mechanism here on the hinges. You got some drop protection all around the inside of the case itself. And then you do got a kickstand there. And this just snapped on. On this side, you do have some adhesive. I'm not going to pull the adhesive because I don't want to mess up the case in case I want to use it later. But we're going to grab the Google Fold here. The Pixel Fold. Just going to give it a dry run here first. And the case actually snaps on very good without even you using the adhesive. But what we're gonna do is we gotta clean that front portion of the display. Let's put this back portion on. Very nice snap, very good looking case. Absolutely like this. Look at that response. Fingerprint, you do have a cutout there for the fingerprint sensor, and it's nice and accessible. Obviously, you just saw me use it. Bam. The glass display on this, absolutely fantastic. You got plenty of lip protection there all around the front cover display of the Pixel Fold. So this is good because a lot of people like to watch videos with it on this side like that, propped like this, and usually what they're doing is they're laying it on the flat side, the cover display. I've seen a lot of people do that. So you can sit down and watch videos like this, YouTube or Netflix or anything, but you're not gonna scratch that bottom cover display. It's gonna remain from touching any flat surface, and it's gonna be nice and protected, especially this one right here with the tempered glass screen protector already currently installed in the case. Is absolutely an added protective bonus. Even if you didn't have this, you still have that plenty of lip protection around the cover display, and you have an earpiece port right there cut out so you can hear while you're using the phone. And inside you do have very minimal lip protection, and you can see it kind of goes right to the edge. But then again, you're never gonna lay your phone this way flat. I at least wouldn't, because these displays here are delicate and made of plastic, so that wouldn't be my first choice of laying it down like this at all. I wouldn't do that at all. But if case feels nice and snug, you do have hinge protection here, so when you do unfold it, there is the hinge protection. Now what this is going to cause too, if you like to lay it flat, it's not going to lay flat, it's going to teeter-totter because of that hinge. So it's okay though, either you want the hinge protected or not. There are cases out there that do not protect the hinge. I kind of want this all protected. It fits nicely. It does not add too much bulk to the Pixel Fold. It is going to add a little bit bulk because of this added hinge. As you can see, it folds flat like that, and it still kind of, it adds this whole portion of it because the case is basically like that. But you can hide something in here, I guess, because it is hollow in there, but it looks pretty good. And you have this kickstand. So you have this nice metallic kickstand here. Now the hinge is nice and sturdy, so you can either cover display if you want to watch videos on the cover display like that, or if you want to watch videos while the case is open, place it down like that, boom, watch Netflix or whatever. Which other way would it work? Not that way, down, not down this way, probably just this way like that. You can stand up the phone and do it. I don't think there's other ways. Nope. But you do have a kickstand there. You do have protection here at the back, so you are protected. If you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface, you're not going to scratch up the camera lenses. The cutouts are nice and precise. The buttons are 100% covered. Button rocker, nice and tactile. Your power button, fingerprint sensor, easily accessible. It takes no effort. Even that cutout is just perfect right there. The cutouts on the bottom, nice and precise. You got a couple mic, speaker, and charging port. Plenty of room there around the charging port. If you want to plug in a third-party charging cable, you most absolutely can. Speaker, mic, cutout on top, nice and precise. That is it. The cutout I mentioned already for the earpiece in the front, looking good. Now is this gonna wirelessly charge through the case? And it's absolutely gonna wirelessly charge just fine. One thing I would have liked to see is a lot of case manufacturers are implementing that MagSafe kind of technology ring around these cases. They work fine with Pixel phones and Galaxy phones as well. That would have been cool to see it on this, but very grippy case, very protective case with the built-in tempered glass screen protector. Absolutely looks amazing. You cannot go wrong with the Whitestone Dome Escudo case. Link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick one of these up. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.